Hello and welcome to the Tampere test mine. My name is Jussi Puura. I am the digitalization lead here at Sandvik, responsible for our next generation autonomous equipment. We're proud to show you for the last time in this event our concept machine and the technologies we've been working on. The machine you see on the live cameras is cabinless, fully electric and autonomous on a completely new level. As we speak, we see the machine fill the bucket fully autonomously without need for human intervention. The machine is fully battery electric. This means there is no diesel engine on board. The machine is completely emissionless. But it also means that there's a new level of precision and control made possible by the electric driveline. We measure and control the speed and the force of the machine all the time, even when driving into the muck pile. We are in perfect control of the tire slippage all the time, which means better bucket fills and less tire damage. Now we see the machine start moving. It's driving autonomously to the upper level, close to our location, for dumping the bucket. The cabinless machine is equipped with our next generation sensing system, which sees the environment in full 3D, all around the machine, up to 100 meters in pitch black darkness. It sees the ground as it's driving, the walls, the roof, all the obstacles on the ground or hanging high up, and reacts to them. The machine uses what it sees to localize itself in full 3D in real time, and it also builds and updates constantly a map of the environment, meaning that the machine can also work in constantly changing environments. The machine is closing in on our location, so let's go see it. Here we see the machine. It's real, it's live, it's working here in the test mine. We see the machine do an autonomous turn maneuver into the dumping point where it will dump the bucket, also fully autonomously. It doesn't need any human intervention to do this. Let's go to the control room to see how this cabinless, fully autonomous machine is controlled. The machine measures more than 1 million points every second and analyzes them on board. It visualizes for us here on the control room displays the situation as it sees it in full 3D from any angle we want. Setting a new target for the machine is easy. Simply drag the machine on the map where you want it to go, and then the machine uses artificial intelligence to plan its own route. The map you see here is made and updated by the machines as they work. There's no fixed routes in the system. If the machine needs to turn to reach the destination in the orientation we want, then the machine decides on its own where to do that. The machine shows us very clearly what it's planning to do and then does exactly that. It's very transparent, very predictable, and there are no sudden surprises. Here we see the machine starting off on the route it has planned for itself. The machine has a built-in collision detection system that we can see here on the screen. The red dots are what it considers an obstacle. It analyzes obstacles and collision risks on board based on what it sees and doesn't need any tags or external systems to do that. The machine chooses its own safe speeds according to the situation and according to the traffic rules. If the machine detects an imminent collision risk, it will first slow down to prepare, and then, if needed, go to a full safe stop. Our target is to make these machines work safely with people and manual machines in the same area, without the need for area isolation or safety gates. Now we see the machine do the second self-planned autonomous turning maneuver to go into the destination rear first like we wanted it to go. If the machine needs to stop and there is space for it, it can use its onboard AI to plan a solution around the problem and continue production. When the machine comes around the last corner in our demonstration today, we've arranged a small surprise for it. There will be a pedestrian in the area. The machine is executing its self-planned mission, completely unaware of this. On the screens, we see the live sensing. When the machine comes around the corner, it senses the pedestrian on the route and goes to a safe stop. This is the end of our last demonstration. Thank you for tuning in for this demo and the whole event.